In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your QuickBooks Online data and start over. We all know that sometimes in our business journey, things can get a little messy and a fresh start becomes necessary. Whether you've been experimenting with QuickBooks Online and things have gotten a bit out of hand, or you're starting a new business cycle and want to begin with a clean slate, this guide is for you. Before we dive into the actual process, let's acknowledge how important it is to be absolutely certain that you want to erase your data because this action is irreversible. If this is something you've thought through and you're ready to proceed, let's move forward. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. This is essential because accessing the website with your credentials ensures that the changes are applied to the correct account. Now, here's an important part. You'll need to modify the URL in your browser. Carefully navigate to your browser's address bar. You'll notice a series of characters after the word AP. Carefully delete everything that appears after AP. It's a small detail, but it plays a crucial role in resetting your data. This effectively brings up a fresh page and prepares your account for the process ahead. After you've modified the URL as instructed, the next step is to type in Purge Company, all as one word. So go ahead and type in Purge Company and press Enter. This action initiates the purge process. It's essentially QuickBooks' way of acknowledging that you want to clear all your data and start anew. Be sure that you're absolutely ready to proceed, because once you do, there's no turning back. At this point, you'll notice a prompt at the bottom right corner of your screen requesting confirmation. All you need to do is type Yes in the provided field. This confirmation step is crucial as it acts as a safeguard, preventing any accidental purges and ensuring you're fully committed to resetting your data. It's a thoughtful addition that QuickBooks includes just to be doubly sure you're ready for this change. Once you've entered Yes, you're just a click away from your fresh start. Click on the OK button to finalize the process. Clicking OK acts as your final go-ahead, telling QuickBooks to proceed with wiping all existing data from your account and preparing your account for a new beginning. And that's it. Your QuickBooks Online data is now deleted, giving you a clean, fresh start to manage your business finances. Always remember that resetting your data is irreversible, so it's wise to back up any essential information before going through this process. If you're doing this for the first time, take it slow and feel free to watch the video again if needed. Thank you for watching and enjoy your refreshed QuickBooks Online journey.